it's a known fact that I gave zucchini such a hard time in the past, and I still give it a hard time. There's a lot of things I think we should throw in the garbage can with zucchini, but I've made zucchini in a way that's probably one of my favorite on a low-carb keto plan. Join me in the kitchen for zucchini chaffles. You can't make zucchini chaffles without zucchini. Now, I have to eat some crow. You know that zucchini and I do not get along. Y'all know I feel like those noodles really belong in the trash can. But I wanted to figure out a way to use zucchini in cooking because it is so amazing for us. It really is, gang. A cup of zucchini has 17 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber, making it 2 net carbs. It's heart healthy. It's amazing for our vision. So I kind of did a little bit of a thought process of what did I have when I was young that was excellent that contains zucchini, and it's zucchini fritters. Everybody's mama's made some zucchini fritters. Put it in the comment section if your mama made some good zucchini fritters, or even apple fritters, or pretty much anything fritter was amazing that they made. We're using 1/2 of our zucchini. Now, you see that I have a vegetable peeler. I'm peeling it. If you have some tips or tricks on how to peel this a little bit faster, I am all ears. Just write it in that comment section below for me. And we are going to take a sharp knife and really chop up this zucchini. Now, I am no Gordon Ramsay, so it ain't pretty and it ain't all even. I'm not using my food processor, even though y'all gonna tell me to. Jesus, take the wheel, because Mama Bear don't feel like cleaning no food processor, y'all. Put your zucchini to the side. We're going to add our egg in our bowl. Y'all see my cute little whisk. I love it. I think it was a stocking stuffer from my mama one year for Christmas. We love eggs in this clinic. 1 egg, 75 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat. We're going to give that egg a little bit of a whisk. We're going to add that chopped up zucchini to this. And gang, if you're loving this recipe and you want more low carb and laughter, be sure to subscribe. Go ahead, do that right now and click that bell. And then to finally top this off, we are adding a 1/2 cup of our shredded cheese. Go ahead and give that a wonderful mix and meet me at the dash. So we're at the dash and we made sure it's plugged in. We're going to give it a little spray with our nonstick cooking spray. Great value. Y'all know I can't go one video without giving a little shout out to my Walmart, because y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. Y'all know this by now. I love using an ice cream scoop. We're going to go ahead and scoop that mixture in our dash, close the lid, cook it for 4 minutes. The magic is about to happen. Gang, look at that. Look at this. How beautiful. And oh my gosh, it is so crispy. If you didn't get to write down the recipe, scroll in the comments section below. And gang, for more low carb and laughter with your girl Shelly, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.